Hi everybody, welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Today, we'll talk about outdoor living room ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. An outdoor living room is a great way to extend your living space and enjoy the fresh air and natural scenery. It can also provide a cozy and comfortable place to relax, entertain, or work. Think about the function and layout of your outdoor living room. Do you want it to be a lounge area, a dining area, a work area, or a combination of these? How much space do you have and how do you want to divide it? You can use rugs, furniture, plants, or screens to create different zones and define the boundaries of your outdoor living room. Choose materials and fabrics that are durable and weather-resistant. You want your outdoor living room to last for a long time and withstand the elements. Look for furniture that is made of wood, metal, rattan, or plastic, and cushions and pillows that are covered with outdoor fabrics. You can also add some accessories such as lanterns, candles, or sculptures to add some personality and charm to your outdoor living room. Use colors and patterns that complement your outdoor environment. You can either go for a neutral and natural palette that blends in with the surroundings, or a bold and bright one that stands out and creates contrast. You can also mix and match different colors and patterns to create a dynamic and eclectic look. For example, you can use a Moroccan-style rug, a blue and white striped sofa, and some colorful pillows to create a vibrant and exotic outdoor living room. Include a fire pit, a heater, or a fan to make your outdoor living room comfortable in different seasons. Depending on the climate and the time of the year, you may need some extra warmth or cooling in your outdoor living room. A fire pit can provide both heat and ambiance, while a heater or a fan can regulate the temperature and air circulation. You can also add some blankets, throws, or curtains to cozy up your outdoor living room and protect it from the wind or the sun. Make your outdoor living room flexible and adaptable. You may want to change the look or the function of your outdoor living room depending on the occasion, the mood, or the weather. You can use furniture that is movable, foldable, or multifunctional, such as a coffee table that can turn into a dining table, or a sofa that can convert into a bed. You can also use plants, umbrellas, or awnings to create shade or privacy when needed. Incorporate some lighting to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere in your outdoor living room. You can use string lights, fairy lights, or lanterns to add some sparkle and warmth to your space. You can also use candles, torches, or solar lights to create a romantic and natural mood. You can also adjust the brightness and the color of the lights to suit your preference and the occasion. Add some plants and flowers to bring some life and freshness to your outdoor living room. You can use pots, planters, hanging baskets, or vertical gardens to display your plants and flowers. You can also choose plants and flowers that match your color scheme, your style, or your theme. For example, you can use succulents, cacti, or palms to create a desert-inspired outdoor living room, or roses, lavender, or jasmine to create a floral and fragrant outdoor living room. I hope these ideas will help you design your own outdoor living room. You can also check out some examples of outdoor living rooms from different sources for more inspiration. For instance, you can see how to create a cozy spot in a courtyard, how to use a mirror to add some light and depth, or how to celebrate summer evenings with L-shaped seating. Have fun and enjoy your outdoor living room. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a outdoor living room ideas. Thank you.